Well, this new index contains 50 Chinese stocks that are listed over in Hong Kong or the US exchanges, and these companies are seen to be driving economic growth and this transition over in China. So this is the first of a series of special indices which aim to capture new and important investment themes in a post-COVID world. That is the Gong Show we saw around half an hour ago. So this will be another way to sort of tell the business its story in China, as we know that there is a lot of interest in China's growth story being first in, first out. The benchmark will track the performance of big Chinese names that have recently caught the attention of foreign investors. These firms fall into sectors that are deemed to be new economic areas in China, such as technology, business and consumer services, as well as telecommunications. And these are particularly relevant, of course, because you have some big tech names, for instance, as we are seeing this stepped up regulatory scrutiny as they try to promote more fair competition. You've got healthcare stocks when it comes to this vaccine rollout that we are seeing, and you've got the consumer stocks as well, as we are now seeing this shift to a more consumer-led recovery in China, and also EVs, as we are seeing China pushing ahead to tackle the climate crisis. Now, this index is reviewed semi-annually in March and September. So very exciting news on that front. As far as the mainland markets are concerned, we are seeing a positive start to the day. We're seeing the Shenzhen composite up around 0.2%. So extending those gains we saw yesterday on more strong quarterly earnings reports. So seemingly shrugging off these persistent concerns we've seen lately about policy tightening and also these ongoing US-China tensions.